Welcome to my channel! Alam mga ka-master, I am Master Kukay Matafat. For today's video guys, come on and join me. Let's play puzzle. Because I do believe in a saying that even the hardest puzzle have a solution. So without any further ado guys, let's get it on! Doraemon is a Japanese manga series written and illustrated by Fujiko F. Fujio. The manga was first serialized in December 1969 with its 1,345 individual chapters, compiled into 45 volumes, published by Shogakukan from 1970 to 1996. The story revolves around an earless robotic cat named Doraemon, who travels back in time from the 22nd century to aid a boy named Nobita Nobi.